Video's going to continue in a sec, but please subscribe to the channel, guys, if you haven't already, and please hit the like button on this video, leave a comment and let me know your thoughts. Cheers, guys. Bye. Bye, bye, bye. Shot one, saw the guy with a box, you know, probably 30, 40 feet away, and kind of like this shot. Lots of characters in this neck of the woods, plenty of texture, plenty of colour, plenty of life. Like, it's full of market trade. This is real London, it's not gentrified London. Oh, what's interesting about this frame is that, in hindsight, I didn't want the guy on the left in the frame, and I cropped him out. But without him in the frame, it just looks too posed, and it's a street photography frame. So I wanted to retain that, so I left him in the image. Okay, this is an example of me having to include photographs for the sake of the video. I'm not really happy with this. It's just too messy. It doesn't work for me, this frame. Again, a little bit of a needs must. It's a snapshot, really, that frame. It's fine. A little better. It's odd framing. There's a lot of space to the right of the frame that's kind of not necessary, but it's a little bit odd and imperfect. I kind of like it. Almost like this was been taken with like a Lomo camera. So again, a little bit odd, a little bit imperfect. The composition's not great, and it's okay. Needs must for the video, and it's a really cool character. It's just I'm not in close enough here. I'm not in close enough. The backdrop, the texture takes care of a little bit of that, and like I said, I'm not in close enough. Everything to the right of the little boy and the lady, I don't know. I think there needs to be something a little juicier to the right of the image. But it's okay. I think it adds context. I'm quite happy with this frame. Yeah, I like this image. I think for me, there's this tendency with stills, with photographers, especially when they're starting out, is to be kind of looking for fireworks, looking for drama. Just the slightest suggestion of movement. So the guy reaching for the bag here, and also the guy to the left of the frame with the two carrier bags. Just that little suggestion of movement can be enough, can make an image that's otherwise just kind of ordinary, just give it that little bit more of an impact. Yeah, I'm happy with this frame. Same guy, a little character moment. I just love the carrier bags. And again, the colour, the text drop, the backdrop of the market is all playing its part. I've had enough of that song. I literally, right, now we're talking. I'm a little bit closer in with this guy, being a bit more playful. That's what it takes, being a bit playful and almost like not taking no for an answer and starting to get in with the characters. We need another song, don't we? Should we put a bit of Max on? Let's put a bit of Max on.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Again, a little bit of suggestion, movement, pulling the material back. When I saw this frame, I saw the guy with his little boy to the left of the frame, and now they're kind of redundant in this frame, as it is. The picture, the story is the guys with the clothes, with the material, and yeah, that really needs a crop in.
Feel the sun again. I can't wait to come in from the rain. I can't wait to rid the world of pain like a stomach came. Without warning, today the world was on its knees.
I love the 4 hanging dresses or the blouses, and obviously the guy. And I love the striped material on the stall, the texture, the backdrop. And now, again, I'm not so sure about the shots to the left. I'm not so sure, maybe I should have cropped that in and just had the stall and the guy and the dresses as the frame. But it's okay, I'm semi-happy with it.
And the time you're holding won't remain.
It's the sign here on the lamppost, on the lamppost. And obviously the character's moving into that again, underexposing a little bit. I'm semi-happy with them, a little bit messy. I don't know if they stand on their own as good frames, but in context of this video, I'm happy with them. So we're coming to the end of the video now. Just characters everywhere, life, and just kind of gauging like sensitivity, how close to get in. I can get closer in perhaps to some people than I would others, just kind of feeling it out as I go. And you have to be on the balls of your feet a little, okay, because it is like, it's proper East End. And you almost have to kind of give off that attitude of that's like, you know, you're where you're meant to be, okay? You almost like want to blend in. It's almost like you're meant to be there, you're meant to be shooting. If you're hesitant, then people are going to sense it. So you just can't, and you will get, you know, you're going to get a few people who are going to occasionally going to get annoyed with you, but the degree to which you're confident and you're owning the street is a degree to which, you know, you're not going to get bothered.
Today the world is on its knees. The fire and smoke choke the trees, but I can feel a changing breeze. We cannot breathe. But we see the future's cloudy. I hope you're with me tomorrow. I don't care if you don't know my name. The time you're holding won't remain in tomorrow's day. There's no sorrow.
Characters, thoroughbred East End characters. I think my favourite shot is coming up. And you'll see these three guys. It's literally like the scene from like East End Goodfellas. And the three guys on the left, and then the guy to the right of them who's sitting down. And I've passed this guy about 3-4 times. I think I got a shot of him in the previous video. And there's your friend. I'm just really happy with that. It's almost like two stories going on. The three wise men at the front, and then the guy to the right. And I think that's my favourite shot of the day. Guys, please subscribe to the channel. If you're getting any value at all from the videos, please subscribe and give a thumbs up for this video. It's a really big support for me. And let us know your comments below, and I'll see you on the next video. Cheers, guys. Bye. Bye, bye, bye.